What's the meaning of certainty? Certainty. Certainty.
Certainty. Certainty. Certainty refers to the absence of doubt or uncertainty about a particular outcome or situation. It is a state of being completely convinced or confident that something is true or will happen. When one is certain, there is a high degree of confidence in the accuracy or validity of their belief or prediction. This feeling of certainty can provide a sense of security and peace of mind, as it minimizes the need for further analysis or consideration. However, it can also lead to complacency and closed-mindedness if taken too far.